Managing third-party credentials manually increases security risk and operational overhead, especially when credentials need regular rotation to maintain compliance and security posture. You can now automate rotation for Datadog credentials including API keys, application keys, and admin credential pairs for service accounts directly through Secrets Manager. For Snowflake, you can rotate programmatic access tokens using native authentication with a configurable grace period that prevents service interruption during token transitions. These integrations enable you to centralize credential rotation for external services alongside your AWS secrets, reducing manual processes and improving security. This capability is available in all regions where Secrets Manager managed external secrets is supported, joining existing integrations with BigID, Confluent Cloud, MongoDB Atlas, and Salesforce. Building a migration business case requires gathering data from multiple sources, analyzing different migration paths, and calculating total cost of ownership across various AWS services. You can now import data from RV Tools exports, CMDB systems, AWS Transform Discovery Tool, and third-party tools to start your assessment. You create what-if scenarios with customizable assumptions for region, resource utilization, and service mapping, then compare scenarios to identify the optimal migration path. You model costs for EC2, FSx, S3, SQL Server on EC2, and virtual desktops within your scenarios. You enhance your assessment by including cloud value framework pillars such as staff productivity, operational resilience, business agility, and sustainability. This lets you build a comprehensive migration assessment and start your migration with an optimized TCO. Security teams previously had to manually follow reproduction steps from penetration tests finding details to validate vulnerabilities, which was time-consuming and error-prone. AWS Security Agent now automatically generates verification scripts for each confirmed finding. You can download these ready-to-run scripts, configure the required environment variables for your target system, and execute them to independently reproduce and validate the discovered vulnerabilities. Each script includes setup instructions, documented environment variables, and redacted sensitive values to protect your security posture. This automation streamlines your triage process and accelerates remediation by eliminating manual reproduction work. The feature is available in all AWS regions where AWS Security Agent is supported. To use it, run a penetration test, navigate to your findings, and expand the verification script section. Previously, you could only manage IAM-based domains in SageMaker Unified Studio, while Identity Center-based domains required AWS Console access. This created inconsistent workflows for administrators managing different domain types. With this launch, you can now manage both Identity Center and IAM-based domains directly in the SageMaker Unified Studio portal. You can create projects with execution roles that control access to AWS Analytics, AI, and ML services. VPC configuration works consistently across both domain types, with settings inherited by all projects and editable for VPC, subnets, or security groups. You can also manage associated accounts, enabling users to publish and consume data across AWS accounts within SageMaker Unified Studio. This provides a single interface for domain administration regardless of identity provider.